Gomukhasana. So cow face pose. So let's see the legs positioning first. Just straighten your legs front. First you straighten. Okay. Now knees on each other like this. Wrap. See that both the knees are in line. ऐसे. इसको थोड़ा सा away. Like this. Then whichever leg is up, that hand will be up, and then you have to lock from behind your fingers. Good. Okay, relax. Now we'll change the leg and we'll perform other side. So you face this side, back side, and you that side. Yes. And let's perform other side. Now other knee is up, and whichever knee is up, that the same hand will be go up, this hand up. And that will down. This. Very good. So this is very good for your opening your shoulders and arms. Okay, relax. Thank you.